Do you have a huge out-of-date bathtub that you never use? Or maybe have an outdated tub shower combo that you're ready to upgrade with a modern look? At EZPro, we can replace the unused garden tub or tub shower combo with a huge walk-in shower. Let's go through some of the benefits of converting your old bathtub to a walk-in shower. Safety and accessibility. One of the best reasons to replace your bathtub with a shower is to make your bathroom safer. If you opt for a low barrier shower, you won't have to worry about stepping over a high threshold every time you bathe. You can also add safety features to your new shower like built-in seating and grab bars, making it easier to maintain your independence as you bathe. If you use a wheelchair, you can even replace your tub with a roll-in shower for added accessibility. Easier to clean. If you've ever wished you could spend less time cleaning your bathroom, a tub to shower conversion can be just the answer you're looking for. When you use your bathtub, water accumulates and sits in the bottom, making it easier for soap, scum, and grime to build up. Since water in a shower drains immediately, there's less chance of buildup. Here at EZPro Bath Express, we install high-quality, easy-to-clean acrylic showers. Not only do they look great, but they're resistant to mold and mildew growth, so you won't have to spend as much time cleaning. Added home value. If you plan to sell your home in the next few years, replacing one of the bathtubs with a shower could increase your home's value. These days, buyers want a beautiful, sleek, and modern bathroom, and they're willing to pay more for them. By replacing your old tub with a beautiful new shower, you just might fetch multiple higher offers when you go to sell your home. Upgraded modern look. We can use the same footprint of your big bathtub and convert it to a huge walk-in shower. With our custom pan options, we're able to create a unique footprint for your new walk-in shower. Head to our website to fill out a contact form, and we'll reach out to you within 24 hours to schedule your free in-home design consultation, where a design consultant will meet with you to understand your needs, measure your space, and get you an exact price on your project.
No stress, no mess, we cost less. EZPro.